Hey, this is Ed from IPPC Training. Just want to thank you for downloading our guide. That guide will be in your inbox within the next 10 minutes or so. In the meantime, just want to take a sec to introduce a new program we launched called Google Ads Training Academy. Now, if you're a business owner, you're a marketer, you own a marketing agency, if you're looking to build and grow super profitable AdWords campaigns, this course we have that we've just launched is for you. If you're looking to make your phone ring, get new customers in the door, generate new form submissions, just bring in new revenue for your business, again, this course is for you. I also own an AdWords agency. We've got over 100 clients. And what we've done in this course is distill our best practices on how we generate leads for our clients. And we put it into a step-by-step, simple to use system that really takes the guesswork out of it. And we think we have best-in-class best practices, and we're happy to introduce this course to the market. So if you click the link below this video, you can take a look at the course, see if it's for you, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll drop my email below this as well. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day. Bye.